Look, the truth of the matter is that I think we're probably within 5 years of having all text material delivered on tablets or some other equivalent form. The paper's going to go away. I mean, for all intents, at least in the textbook mode, it's cheaper, and money's going to have a big effect on things, and it's a lot easier to move electrons around than it is to, mail paper around. So I think that and the tests too, for that matter, by the way. We're going to have a lot more tests than will be delivered electronically. And once you deliver them electronically, you could actually use that in terms of the questions themselves. I mean, I'm involved on the Math Expert Group on PISA. PISA is this Program for International Student Assessment that the OECD does. It's one of those exams in which we always do badly, where the countries are compared against one another in the international comparisons that politicians use to get money out of Congress. So, and this particular test survey is of 15-year-olds. It's not a curricular survey; it's a literacy survey. The idea is, in many countries, 15-year-olds to go out in the world. And the question is, well, what do you know how to do? And so these are questions, the real questions about, buying things, just sort of finding your way from one place to another place. So these are real, honest literacy questions in mathematics of 15-year-olds. And in a few years, in 2012, a significant proportion of that exam will be delivered on electronically with built-in things like like computing software, geometric software, and like Sketchpad and other kinds of electronic tools. And I think in 3 years or 5 years, it's all going to be that way. So you can build in the technology into the questioning, into the assessment, and once that happens, then you'll find more and more of the curriculum being built around that.